Hello, today is a video on this new fire alarm board I have put together. I have not posted a video in almost a year now, and I thought it would be appropriate to start posting again on October 14th, which is National Fire Alarm Day. I should be posting probably every other week, hopefully now. Here we moved last year, so I've just now started getting all my fire alarm stuff back, put back together and set up and everything. So this is something brand new that you guys have not seen yet, and I really hope you enjoy this system I put together. 3, 2, 1. That's right, this is a SIMPLEX 4010. So, as you can see, this is the system. This is basically a small demo board, just like the one that I used to have. You can see it has wood feet. It's 2x4 thickness. So yeah, this is the system. It's a SIMPLEX system. You can see here's the control panel. This is a used SIMPLEX 4010. It's actually quite banged up. There's a big scratch in the sticker right here. There's scratches here. You can't quite see them on the camera, but there's a couple of scratches here, right here too. Other than the stuff on the door, it's in good condition. So next, let's look inside. Okay, this is the inside of my panel. This is the user interface. You can see this is actually very banged up. It's hard to see on camera. There's tons of scratches on it. You can actually order these on eBay, so I'm going to be ordering a new one. Okay, so that's it for the inside of the panel. We can go ahead and close the door. And let's get on with the test. Now let's go over what device spots I have. So you'll notice I have 2 notification appliance spots. And I have 6 IDNet device spots plus 1 flush mount spot. So for these 6 spots right here, these are meant to have relays and input-output modules in them. And these are meant to have smoke detectors, pulse stations, switches, that type of stuff. So starting from right here, we have a SIMPLEX 4090 9001 IAM input module. This is currently set to supervisory and it's not currently monitoring anything, but this is just a standard SIMPLEX input module. These are built to monitor pulse stations, water flow devices, basically anything that's a contact, normally open contact. And the next spot over, which is right here, we have a SIMPLEX 4090 9002 Relay IAM, which is an addressable relay module. So it gives you one Form C relay that the panel can control. That's good for activating dampers, exhaust fans, really anything you want to. And then that box right there is empty for now. Let's go to this device. This device right here is a SIMPLEX 4099 9004 addressable pull station. And this is, I got this one new in box, and it's the one with the light on it. Next, going over for the smoke detector. This is a SIMPLEX 4098 9714 on a 4098 9792 base. This is the addressable SIMPLEX smoke detector, true alarm smoke detector, and then the next box we have nothing. And you might have noticed these 2 devices have holes that line up with the modules inside. You probably can't see it very well because of all the light, but that's where the adjustable lights come out. SIMPLEX sells a cover to go over them, but I haven't seen any reason to buy that right now. I could just drill a hole in some covers. Okay, next let's go over the notification appliances. Starting right here, we have a SIMPLEX 4906 9127 True Alert horn strobe. Okay, next we have this device right here, which I'm not familiar with the model number. I can't remember it right now. It is a SIMPLEX horn strobe. The mechanical horn is disconnected right now, and it's used as a remote strobe. So, first, let's go ahead and pull the SIMPLEX pull station. 3, 2, 1. Acknowledge and silence. And now the devices are silenced, and it's going to audible silence. Now I am not exactly sure how to sync these two. They're on two separate NACs. This is set as a a true alert NAC, and this is just set to a visual. So if anybody knows how to actually make those two devices sync up, please let me know. Okay, so the system is silenced. So now we can go into the key. Turn it, open it. You can see here's the push button. Now, since this is adjustable, if I were to push that back in and let it go again, it would go back into alarm, thinking someone reset it, then someone pulled it again. Here is the adjustable module, which is basically the same thing that's here, but it's built in. And there's a light pipe right here that makes it so you can see that. So we're going to go and close that without opening it again. Nope. And you see it does that. So that's why you have to make sure you close it. Acknowledge it. And you can see I have that device programmed in right there. So let's go ahead and make sure to hold that closed. And turn it in the correct direction to close it. And you can see the LED light stays on. I'm going to go ahead and do a system reset. And now the system is resetting. And now the system is reset. Next, let's do the smoke detector. So I'm going to be using smoke detector tester spray. And I'm just going to spray it into the detector. 3, 2, 1. That should be enough. And it should go. There it goes. It's an alarm. And I silenced it. Acknowledge. Turn it. Pull it out. You can see the base is the adjustable part, and this is just the detector head. Okay, so now you can see that the panel went into trouble because the device is missing. You acknowledge that. And here's the detector head. And this is the detector head. So I can go ahead and blow this out. Okay, the detector head is blown out. So we're going to put it back on its base. And now we can go and reset. And as you can see, the trouble went away. And now it's resetting. Okay, that was mini system test 1 of the Simplex 4010 system. I have lots of updates on all my other systems. I have a secondary channel that's to do with networking, phone systems, paging systems, that type of stuff. I will link to that below. I'm going to be starting uploading there pretty soon. I'm going to have lots more fire alarm videos coming soon. The MS-10UD system, which is right up there, should be getting a system test pretty soon. Lots of expansions coming in the future. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to be putting a poll in the description below so you can choose what system to go on the back of it. These right now there's just plywood there, and sometimes I get a random N2 fault or bus fault. If you guys know how to fix that, let me know. Everything else on the panel works great except for that, and it happens like basically every month. And if I reset the panel, it goes away. So yeah, if any of you guys know how to fix that, let me know. And also, if I take the resistor out, it doesn't go into fault. So it's just that's kind of weird.